Alright, in this video I'm going to show how to use an external hard drive on your PlayStation 4 to play games off of. In my last video I installed this Western Digital blue SSD internal hard drive, so I did a hard drive swap. And I also purchased this, which is a Seagate portable drive with 2 terabytes of memories. So now I'm going to show how you can just use the external hard drive to run your games on if you didn't want to change the internal hard drive. So the first thing I'm going to do is plug the hard drive into one of the 2 USB ports on the front of the PlayStation. I'm then going to go to Settings, and I'm going to set up this hard drive so that it can work with the Sony PlayStation. So I'm going to go to Devices within the Settings menu, and then I'm going to go to USB storage devices. You'll see there's no little green light beside the expansion drive. So I'm going to Format as Extended Storage. Now this is going to ask me a bunch of questions to make sure I know what I'm about to do. Basically, if you have a whole bunch of data on your hard drive, it is probably going to wipe it out. So you want to be sure that this is what you want to do. And I'm going to click the Format button. Obviously, I do want to do this. And I'm going to go to Yes for a final confirmation on this. So it gives you 3 or 4 opportunities to abort from this process. Obviously, if you want to do it, you want to do it. And then obviously hit OK. It is a pretty fast process to get it set up. Now you can see there's a little green light beside the word Seagate on the drives. So that means it's good to work with your PlayStation 4. Now I'm going to stay within the Settings menu and go to the Storage tab. Now you're going to see that I have the system storage, which is the regular hard drive, and I have extended storage, which is obviously the external drive. Now if I want, I can change where applications will be installed. You can see in the top right, it indicates which drive your applications will be installed on. So if you want them installed on the external drive, you go to Extended Storage and set it up for application install location. And if you want it on the system storage, then you have application install location set there. Pretty simple. So now I'm going to install a game onto the external drive. Obviously, I have to have it set up to install onto that drive. And then really all you need to do is toss your game in. Obviously, if you want to download the game from the PlayStation 4, that's also an option as well. So like I said, I just threw the Little Big Planet 3 disc in there, and it's going to start copying everything it needs to the external hard drive. So I'll go into Settings and Storage, and you can now see that the extended storage actually has a few gigabytes of space used. And if I go into the applications, you will see that it is Little Big Planet 3. And if I go select Little Big Planet 3, you can see that I have installed it in the extended storage. Now I'm just going to go straight back to the main screen. And if you click on Little Big Planet, you're going to see that it is doing a whole bunch of updates and stuff like that. Obviously, I haven't had it installed in the PlayStation in a very long time. So after I let all the updates occur, I am now good to play the game straight off the hard drive, and everything works just fine. And that's pretty much it to get everything working properly. Super easy, actually. Now if I go back into Settings and then I go to Storage again, you could also move the game from either system storage to extended storage, or you can move it from extended storage to system storage. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go back into the extended storage or the external hard drive. I'm going to change my application install location to system storage. I'm now going to go into the extended storage, and I'm going to press the options menu. So you can see at the bottom, you could enter, go back, or hit options. Now I'm going to move this game to system storage. The game's running in the background still, so I have to hit yes. Now I'm going to select all, or just select Little Big Planet 3. So select the game I want to move from the external hard drive to the system, and hit OK. So that's now going to move the game or application from the extended storage or external hard drive to system storage. And if I go into system storage, you can now see Little Big Planet 3 is an application that's on the main hard drive, also known as system storage in the PlayStation 4. So very easy to move your games from system storage to external or vice versa, and very easy to use an external drive with your PlayStation 4 if you want to extend the storage capacity of your PlayStation. One thing to note, you don't want to just yank the hard drive or USB that you're using out of the PlayStation. You need to go in and make sure it's safe to uninstall. You need to go into devices and then USB devices, and then go down and select stop using the device. And that'll allow the PlayStation to turn off the device and allow you to remove it safely. If you just yank it out, it'll make you do a whole bunch of steps when you plug the device back in. Anyway, like I said, a very fast and easy way to upgrade the storage on your PlayStation 4 if you didn't want to do a swap of the internal hard drive. Anyway, thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.